Mark. I was a patient at Oxford Physical Therapy at the Mason, Ohio office. I was experiencing hip pain in my right hip, and I had increasing pain in my groin, and pain increased, and from that point on the pain just continually got worse. I am a recreational runner and was having pain with running, which was tolerable, but it continued to get worse, and it started interfering with my work as a physical therapist and also my joy of running. I was running through the pain, and one day I just was unable to even drive to work and sit in my car without pain. So I called the Mason office and I set up an appointment and started my therapy journey. I was at work and I really tweaked my hip and thinking that I might have a more serious medical issue. I went to urgent care to have that issue ruled out. Once that was ruled out, then I was able to confidently call Ken and request a physical therapy evaluation at Oxford. One of my concerns being a physical therapist myself was that I might need to have a total hip replacement because I had arthritis of the hip. I explained to my therapist that why don't we just go ahead and have my hip replaced, and the therapist at that time was very calm, very collective. He helped me see long-term that I was better off working on therapy, getting my legs stronger, getting my flexibility better, and just prolonging the life of my joint rather than having it replaced. I have been a physical therapist for 39 years, and this is my first experience being on the receiving end of physical therapy. I have been very pleased with Oxford Physical Therapy in that they were able to accommodate my work hours. They listened to my needs. They understood my goals. They were level-headed when, and at times, I wasn't. And they were able to see the big picture where I was more concerned about the small picture of my hip pain and my lack of the ability to run. They helped me and guided me through that entire period to the point where I'm now back to running pain-free. And because I have been consistent with my exercises, and I think not only were the exercises concise and simple, but I was able to continue to do them on a regular basis. I've been able to work as a physical therapist with little to no pain. Before I came into therapy, I couldn't sit in my car without pain. Now I have grandkids hour and a half to 2 hours away, and I'm driving to my grandkids without pain, and I'm able to get on and off the floor and enjoy my grandkids as we fool around and have fun on the floor. I've been running. I ran this morning pain-free, and so I'm just very thankful for Oxford Physical Therapy and the staff that have helped me get to where I am today.